It's super windy out here and you can't hear us. And I forgot to end the vlog. What is this on my camera? I forgot, oh thank you. I forgot to end the vlog off last night, but we just ended up going back to the condo and just chilling, but it's super windy out here. Decided to start the vlog off at the beach. I don't know if that was the best idea because you probably can't hear me right now, but we got stuck in a tropical storm last night. Like what? So now we're honestly just chilling. Hi. Super nice. The water is honestly going insane right now, but I think this is what we're gonna do for the next couple hours. House restaurant. We haven't vlogged all day because all we've done is sit on the beach. So now we are at the beach house restaurant. Woohoo! I got tan today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog on this trip, but ooh, beach house restaurant dance. We take a moment to appreciate what is back, the long lost lime. Too bad they can't hear you, loser. Our first ever lime Skittle.
It's good. It's better than green apple.
Hey guys, so I didn't vlog today because we were at the beach all day, and I've kind of vlogged the beach a lot, so I didn't want to just keep like showing you guys the beach because like you can only vlog so much on the beach. So me and TT are about to go out. She is still at the beach currently, and then I came back to shower and then so I could start getting ready. Sorry, I'm just looking at my Rudolph nose. We literally spent like 7 hours on the beach today. I'll show you this quick outfit of the day. I got this South Beach bodysuit on from Garage. These little mom short things on from Forever 21, and I'm just gonna wear some sandals. I'm actually gonna get cute so we can take some cute pictures, and then yeah, I don't know what else we're doing tonight, so I'm gonna take you guys along with us. Sorry I haven't vlogged a lot. We've literally been on the beach the whole time, so there hasn't really been much to vlog, but I promise you guys, vlog is coming more. Yeah. Oh, I think my back is burnt because I can feel heat coming off of it, and it kind of hurts. I'm gonna get ready. Let's do this. Look at the sunset on the beach real quick, but what is this? Supports truth. Well, that's a different type of vehicle. Car. That's a Dodge. But then after that, we're gonna go, oh my gosh, I look like a lobster. We're gonna go watch the sunset on the beach. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. And then we're gonna go get food because we're starving. Starving. You know what? I'm done.
Dinner, was it 10 out of 10? Oh, that was like a 12 out of 10.
12 out of 10. think we're just gonna chillax for the night. Sunburnt, my back hurts. Let me see if I can show you guys what my back looks like. Yeah, I look like a tomato, so that is what we're gonna do. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and TT. Subscribe. And see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys. Hello? Bye, guys.